Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl here, okay? Bex21, and I'm back at it with another video here on my health channel. Here is another recipe. Damn, don't slash me with water. Let me move, okay? I'm just trying to get into the lighting. So, I'm gonna show you guys today how I'm gonna make payang curry. I don't even know how you pronounce it, but it's Thai curry essentially, and I'm making it vegan style. There, payang. So I say it's payang, okay? And we're just gonna eat that with rice. That's gonna be our dinner, okay? Because we're incorporating now more cooked meals and incorporating more carb in our later day, as you're supposed to with the circadian rhythm, okay? Get into it. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that you need for this. It's very simple, it's gonna be very easy. This is like something you just chop up real quick, get it ready, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now, the Asian store is your best friend, baby. They have everything and it's affordable, so take your ass on down now. Anyway, so we have this payang curry paste. This one is a vegan one, or vegetarian as all the Asians say, because there's no such thing as vegan, it's just vegetarian. You're gonna need some sort of paste. Now, if you're not vegetarian or vegan, then just get the regular one, okay? But this is the one that we're gonna use. You're gonna need some bean sprouts. You're gonna need some coconut milk, okay? I have 4 cans of coconut milk. And then I have mixed vegetable mixture here. This is from the Asian store here, so you guys can see what's in here is bok choy, mushroom, there's carrots in here, and I believe that's essentially it, okay? Which is all you need. You don't need that much in curry, okay? We're just gonna chop it up, you know, and then throw it in with everything just to give it a little bit more flavor. Now you guys can add chickpeas to this if you want. That's also another great filler that would work very well for this. It's literally whatever you're into and what you do, but those are the main ingredients that you're going to need for this curry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this and show you guys what I'm doing. It gives you the directions, what to properly add and all of that. So Alden did the math, okay? We'll give him credit. So for 2 cups of this curry paste, I'm gonna use 4 of these cans, which is 400 milliliters each, okay? So it says to fry, so that's just what exactly we're gonna do. I'm literally just gonna pour the curry paste in here with the milk. Problem solved, okay? So we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so the directions tell you to essentially fry, quote unquote, the curry with the coconut milk. Alden did the conversion, and essentially it's the whole container. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the whole container out and put it in the pots, okay? Alden's in charge of the rice apparently. And here is the rest of the curry paste. I'm gonna turn the heat on, okay? And now I'm gonna add the coconut milk, which is already like essentially ready to go. And now I'm gonna stir this up. As you stir it, you'll notice the color will change. It's gonna start to be a little bit more changing, a little more darker. The milk color is not gonna show up as much. This is probably gonna be one of the easiest meals that's super affordable for you guys, vegan or not. I could already smell it, and it smells fire. So I'm now gonna have Alden take over this and stir this a little bit while I chop up the vegetables that I showed you guys earlier.
Oh, I'm doing this?
Okay, we'll chop up the vegetables.
You got it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so now the curry's boiling. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. I'm gonna add some dried red chilies to this. Okay, just a couple, you know, maybe a little more couple. I like my shit fragrant. I'm gonna add in the vegetables now. So I'm gonna add in the carrots. And now we're adding in the mushroom and that bok choy. Try my best. And Alden's gonna stir that in for me.
Look at all of that. All of this.
And now I'm gonna add in a couple of bean sprouts. Okay, just like a nice little handful. Maybe 2 handfuls, okay?
Okay, that's definitely good.
And now we're gonna kind of let this simmer and cook down a little bit while it's going, all right? Since Alden loves pepper, and he's very OD, I'm gonna add some pepper to this. I'm gonna add a little bit of this seasoning here. This umami seasoning from Trader Joe's, okay? So it's Trader Joe's, but that would be perfect with this for flavor profile reasons. Add a little bit of garlic powder. Now if I can gauge, that's about a tablespoon and a half, okay, of garlic powder. And I'm gonna add some parsley flakes, okay? And the parsley was like a tablespoon, okay? And now here's the kicker. We're gonna add a little bit of allspice, just a touch, okay? A little something, look, boom. Okay, that's it, that's it. With a curry, you don't have to do too much because it's already done for you. And I'm gonna stir this in. Of course, if you don't like spicy food, don't add the chilies and do the most. We're gonna let this just kind of simmer down a little bit while all the vegetables get soft. So I completely forgot to show you guys me plating this. Girl, I was eating. So at the bottom I just put rice. We put the curry on top. I put a little bit of extra bean sprouts here. And then I put some green onions on top with half of a lime. Baby, this is everything, okay? I hope y'all enjoy. I hope you guys like it, love it, okay? Get into it.